All right, everybody, it is group ride day. What's up, guys?
Hey, what's going on?
Right, we're down here, got a few of the 73 guys. And where is Matt at? Oh, there he is. Haha. Yo, yo, yo. Uh-huh.
Yo, you, that guy.
What up? Want to have everyone try and meet over there? We're out of the way. $12,000 watts. Look at the size of that fucking hub motor.
Energy, dude. BDE.
Now, look at my hand compared to it. Holy crap. There they are. Surround the Onyx crew. Oh, damn. What's up, buddy? Nice helmet.
Thanks.
You just get that?
I've been riding for maybe a month or two with it.
Oh, like looking into the sun. What's up, guys?
What's up, man?
Hey, man. Yeah. Good, man. So basically, yeah, there's two people on an Onyx right now. Here finally, got the gang. For the people that stayed in the Bay Area, we got right deep today. Wow, I haven't seen that before.
Thank you.
Nice. Oh damn, is that Lambo? Hey, it's dead down here. guys want to line up all the bikes here? That way we can get a shot of SF.